Metal foam, light as a feather, strong as steel. Picture this, a material that's as strong as metal but light enough to practically float. Sounds wild, right? Welcome to the world of metal foam. This stuff is engineered to be ultra-light, packing serious strength with just a fraction of the weight. Imagine the potential here, not just in construction but in everything from vehicles to protective gear. It's a true superhero among materials, combining durability with incredible lightness. So, what exactly is metal foam? Think of a sponge made of metal. It's filled with tiny pockets of air which make it super lightweight but still tough as nails. The real magic is in how these air pockets absorb energy. If you put metal foam in a car, for example, it could help absorb the impact during a crash, making vehicles safer without adding tons of weight. Less weight means better fuel efficiency, so it's not only protecting passengers, but also reducing fuel consumption. Talk about a win-win. Metal foam has some pretty impressive heat resistance too. It can handle extreme temperatures, which opens doors for all kinds of applications. Imagine skyscrapers built with a material that can withstand intense fires or armor that can absorb shock without being heavy. It's like having the strength of steel with none of the bulk, making it ideal for next-gen technology and cutting-edge designs. And let's not forget its environmental benefits. Since it uses less material than solid metal, we're talking about a lower carbon footprint in production. Plus, it's recyclable. So we're not only creating something strong and light, but also something sustainable. In short, metal foam is changing the game. It's a material that's tough enough to protect, light enough to innovate, and smart enough to use in countless ways. With metal foam, the future is looking lighter, stronger, and just a little bit cooler.